What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this DeXRP update video. DeXRP is the next and newest decentralized exchange that is upcoming on Ripple, so on XRP. It is actually the first DEX ever built and which is upcoming, and that's why I guess that many people are getting on board here. We're gonna have an update, guys, because we have new articles coming out around this nice new XRP project, guys. And it doesn't matter if you love or hate XRP, of course we can trade all those new upcoming coins on DeXRP, like the XRP, which are coming on top of XRP, and of course XRP itself as well. We're gonna have a look into XRP, of course, as well, also in next videos. But first of all, guys, we have this new project upcoming, and that's why we're gonna have an update. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel, leave a like, subscribe, and comment in every video, guys, because the more active you are, the more likely it is I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner of the next $100 worth of a meme coins giveaway. So we're gonna do with every 1,000 subscribers, guys, a nice $100 giveaway with everyone that is active in this channel, and they're gonna randomly select then of course some of you for the next giveaway with every 1,000 subscribers, guys. So make sure to be on board here, and also if you want to check out the XRP, the link is of course here in the video description, as always, in the complete list of upcoming new low market cap coins that currently are mentioned and hyped in different crypto websites. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. All content in this video is no financial advice. I'm just sharing my opinions, my own price analysis and predictions for all cryptos that I'm buying, that I'm trading, that I'm selling, that I do everything here since 2017. So I'm sharing everything with you guys. And the XRP is of course now in the most attention of the most crypto that are upcoming here on different crypto websites, because of course they're raising a lot of funds, and also they're getting more and more popular since XRP is of course breaking out into new all-time highs in this bull run, and also new projects on XRP are upcoming. And DeXRP is the first of its kind, guys. It's going to be the first decentralized exchange built on XRP ledger. And as you can see, they raised over 2.6 million, and they have more than 3,370 participants, so investors right now, by the time that this article came out, and now we have of course updated the website, you can see that it's much more, and also investors are much more. Also, if you want to get on board, link in the video description, connect the wallet here to the website when you join here the pre-market phase, and then of course you can buy in with different cryptos. Different chains are supported. You could even buy with Bitcoin or Dogecoin into this one. Not only XRP is here accepted, and you can see that every time that someone is buying here, a window is popping up as well. So also if you are buying, then you're gonna see here the window popping up, and everyone can see that, which is quite fun. And you can see that the current price is 5 cents. With every time that the countdown is going down to 0, that you can see here on the main website here, in 11 hours, so basically the price will increase until it's gonna reach the listing price of 35 cents. So that's why the earlier you're getting in, the better, because then the listing price will be 35 cents, which is like a 7x from here. And then of course we're gonna see what happens on exchanges. More and more people are getting on board here, of course, and that's why don't miss out on this one, guys. And also here, based on this article, it's written the different features that this one is going to have. And one of the main feature is this optimized liquidity aggregation. So LP token holders gain access to fee auction system for discounted trading fees, governance participation, and early access to new pools and pairs as well. Yield multipliers and custom rewards, because you will be able also to stake here the coins, and of course also get staking rewards later on. And liquidity providers can adjust their yield multipliers to maximize rewards with full control over lock durations and risk exposure. You can also see the tokenomics on the website, or also here you can see that the early access phase has only 25%, and the rest is mostly liquidity provision, staking and rewards, and then ecosystem partnerships, team, and so on. The most of it's going out, of course, now during the early access phase. It is basically rewarding the people that are getting on board early. And of course they also are in X and Telegram and so on, so you can check them out, of course. But the important is, of course, to be invested here into this coin before it is coming out, of course, because the DeXRP is of course one of the more interesting projects because it's completely new and it's coming out as the first DEX built on XRP. So don't miss it out, guys, especially if you want to get on board here during the early stage phase There are, as always, guys, no guarantees, nothing that this project is going to be successful and so on. But if we have a look into the past, what happened with the first projects on Ethereum and Solana, there, of course, like Uniswap and Jupiter, you see the success that they had. Maybe with XRP, we could see something similar as well. And since this is the only one and currently also partnered up and had different mentioning in different crypto articles and websites, I think that this one has, of course, the best chances to become basically like the next Jupiter or Uniswap of XRP. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed. I keep you updated here on DeXRP as well. Be subscribed and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.